para maibagawa naman tayo ng failed recipe. Sure. I posted a poll on my stories about this coffee creme brulee recipe na masarap naman pero medyo fail and madami nag-vote that I still upload it. So sige, let's go. I did make a new one and definitely a better version pero share ko na din to so I can show you all the mistakes I did in this recipe and how to avoid them. So dalawang recipe kasi yung nakita ko online and I decided to go with the first one which is ginamitan niya ng ground coffee, yung cream mixture and then strained it. And as I was making it, I realized wala nga pala akong filter paper so I had to double strain it. This is mistake number one. So kung wala kang filter paper, stick to instant coffee or espresso shot. So I have these premium pili nuts from Kirika. Iba-ibang flavor siya. So since we're doing a coffee creme brulee, bala ko i-add yung coffee flavored pili nut for a stronger coffee flavor sana and extra crunch na din. Ube nila, by the way guys, ito pa lang kasi yung natatry ko. Sobrang sarap, paubos ko na siya. Ube flavor talaga. Coffee nga. Harap. Yung water is at least dapat half